Well, guys, what an exciting episode, and I am pleased to say I finally get to unbox the drone I always wanted, and I honestly cannot explain how excited I am about getting this drone. And for those of you that are going to say, oh, you know, this is so last year, we've already seen unboxing, that's fine. You're not watching the unboxing to see what's in here. You're watching the unboxing just to see me excited about opening this box. And if that doesn't suit your needs, then I'm sorry, but let's crack on. So the Mavic Air, I decided to get the Fly More package that gives you extra batteries, and actually you get a discount on the batteries and all of the other kit that otherwise would cost several hundreds of pounds more, and it was just worth getting it all in one go. Also, you get a nice little case. So let's open this bad boy up. And in here you can see there's 3 items. There's the case, what I'm guessing is the drone, and another little package. Let's do probably the lesser interesting package first. So yeah, so I've got the standard manuals. Let's see what else is down here. Some kind of drone card. We're here to help, thank you. And that's about that. And in here, I can reach in. No, I can't reach in. We have got the propeller protectors, 4 of them, of course, and that's it. So that was pretty uninteresting. And you know what? I'm just going to jump straight to the chase because I am way too excited. And have a look at this pouch. I mean, guys, this is so small. I mean, look, this is smaller than my lunchbox, so let's open this up and see. Oh my word, it is like a little toy, and in fairness it is a little toy. Look how cute this is. Can you see that? It is absolutely tiny. There's instructions all over it on how to turn things on and off, and looks like there's a little flap to protect the camera, which I'm probably going to bust trying to open. Actually, you know what, I'm not going to try and... I probably need to read a whole host of instructions to use this. Got a little flap on the back, which it comes up, and you've got a USB socket and micro SD card. So I need to buy one of those. And you've got 2 sensors on the front and 2 sensors on the back. That's going to allow you to hopefully not fly into things. And I think you have to pull one set of legs out first. Let's see. Crying out loud. I am literally scared to break anything on this. Which ones do you do first without busting it? Let's pretend it's those ones. Honestly, this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Okay, so they kind of swing out. Look at that. I think I was probably meant to do it the other way around, but check that out, guys. That is still very small. Overhead shot there. I really just want to go out and fly this thing, but I can see clearly that I probably need to read up on how to do it. So we've got the little landing legs here. None on the back, but I'm guessing that's just to protect the camera on the front. Now I guess I think this protection for the camera needs to be completely removed. It's not going to be flapping around. So there we have it. Right, let's just put that to one side. And let's see what's in this Fly More case. Quite a nice little bag. Let's move the box. And let's see what we get. So, a shoulder strap, which should come in handy. It's a very bizarre setup, but let's... I don't know, we've got boxes within boxes. So here's the controller. Pretty neat. You've got the antennas. Everything is very nice and neat. Can fold away very small. So, I mean, that's super good. Also, everything feels like you're going to break it when you open it. So these antennas twist all the way around, and yeah. And sometimes I wonder, would you prefer, rather than an unboxing, actually someone that actually knows how to use the device, or do you actually find it funny watching someone trying to work out how to do things? Here we go. It says unfold the mobile clamps. So these clamps are actually quite stiff. And you've got like a little, typically you've got an iPhone plug there, which is going to be useless to anyone that doesn't have an iPhone. And where's my phone? Hold up 1 second. It looks like it will just about fit, if you have a look there, but I'm certainly going to have to remove the phone from the case to try that, and I'll leave that for another time, guys, because I want to go through everything in this box, and I don't want it to be a half-hour video. So as we can see here, we've got like a USB port on the bottom. We've also got the controller joysticks tucked nice and neatly, so these just slip out and supposedly screw in. There we go. It's got a reasonable amount of feedback. Seems quite nice to me. I'm not gonna, yeah, I'm gonna put them both on. There we go. And we've got a record button on the back here, so when you're flying around, I mean, bearing in mind there's quite a lot you need to do. You need to go up and down, you need to be able to twist the drone, and that's for your left controller. You need to be able to move it forward and back, side and side, so that's your right one. Very much like a computer game, I guess. You've got a record button here on this side. You've got a camera take a photo button on this side. But then you also need to actually control the camera and its movements, because that can go left, right, up and down as well. So I'm guessing that will be done on the screen of the phone. And there's another button and little dial there. So I'm guessing there's lots of little fine adjustments that can be made. I'm going to have to charge this controller up. So let's move on. Oh, a box within a bag. Everyone loves them. So we have, in here we have a set of 4 spare propellers. We have an adapter for the battery, I'm guessing to charge it via USB, or maybe the other way around to use a USB device off of one of the batteries. We've got a USB-C cable there, USB. We've got, looks like some adapters from one type of USB to another, so that's going to be quite handy depending on what devices you use and anything else. And we've got another spare set of blades, so 8 spares in total, and I'm sure from the sounds of things that these are going to bust fairly quickly maybe, or if you hit anything then I'm guessing that's when they're going to deteriorate. And again, some more adapters. So it looks like we're fully covered here, but let's open up and confirm what we've got, because that's the whole point of an unboxing, yeah? Yeah, there's little 2 bridge adapters there. This one's USB-C to micro USB, and this one appears like it's micro to mini USB. Right, and what do we have in this one? another adapter, micro to mini or something like that. And in there is 2 spare joystick controllers. Okay, I'll put all of that back in a minute. I don't think there's going to be much else in here, but let's see what we've got. So we have, let's have a look at these batteries. They're actually not super big. From the pictures it looked like a quite big battery, but then again, given the size of the drone, it can't be too big or heavy. So there we go. The battery has a button, has the socket there to charge it, and 2 controllers or switches on the side to unlock it. I should have 3 of these, so there's a second one. I can't actually see a third one at the moment. I'm guessing it is already attached. Yeah, the third one is already on the drone. Now here's an important thing. We've got the battery charging station, and because we've got 3 batteries here, these sides just open up. There we go. So you can actually charge 4 batteries, I'd say in one go, but it's my understanding that it charges the most charged one first. So if you've got one on 70%, one on 50%, it'll charge the one at 70% up to max first, and then it will start on the next one and go around in sequence. So but again, I'm just liking that everything folds up nice and neat and makes it very portable. So yeah, we've got standard power, and then we've got the actual charging adapter, or should I say the wall plug. So there we go. And that looks like everything that's in the box. So I hope you either found that helpful or you just found that mildly entertaining for me getting excited. Yes, I'm a grown man and I'm getting excited about a little drone, but you know what? Sometimes you need to get excited about something, and I've always loved gadgets. Hell, that's why I'm doing this channel. I do it because I just like unboxing and trying out new stuff, and I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that enjoy gadgets as well. And my next step is to charge everything up. Probably I'll need to start reading the manuals, because I don't know whether you saw, but look, we've got here a quick guide, start, safety, intelligent flight batteries, battery charging hub, battery to power, bank adapter, the propeller guards, what's in the box. Well, hopefully I've just covered that off. And so it sounds like I've got a week's worth of reading. And what's in here? Oh, I thought that was going to be another manual. Thankfully it's not. Right, so now we've unboxed everything, let's just have a look at these cables. And previously it didn't make sense, why have we got so many cables? But actually they've kind of covered every scenario. So for example, with the controller we're talking about, it had the iPhone cable adapter there, yeah? However, these little cables here are for adjustments for your phone. So I'm using USB-C. Well, if we look in here, at the moment you've got the lightning adapter, but you can unplug this from the side, and quite forceful, and once that's unplugged, you can actually just swap it out with one of these two. So I'll be able to change this to work with my phone with USB-C. Now when it comes to actually charging the device, we have to use this controller. Now the controller takes 2.5 hours. The batteries I think take roughly about an hour to 1.5 hours. However, the good news is you can charge them all at the same time. So wall mount, you've got 2 USB sockets here, but look, this also is already plugged in for the battery. So that's going to be really handy and save you time, rather than having to carry around 3 different things to charge batteries and controllers and whatnot. And I'm guessing with a second USB you could probably charge your phone in one go. So if you need your phone to operate it as well, so phone, charger, phone, controller and battery. So battery, the third one, so batteries, the third one is in the drone, and we can see it under here. However, all we do is pull this switch and out it comes. As you can see, the drone's actually quite hollow without that battery. The battery takes up a large amount of the drone, and it looks like we've got some sensors there as well for landing purposes. So let's put the drone back up. So we are going to plug this in. Let's try and follow the angle. So that just slots in over there. Pretty neat. I don't think it's going to stay there, but very well. It could fall off quite easily, but I mean, it is what it is, right? Right, next up we've got the USB-C cable. So 1 meter. Plug that in. There we go. And then to charge the controller, we need to put this adapter on. If you remember, I showed you. So there's the adapter, and then that is simply going to plug in over here. Cool. Right. So let's plug this in and see what happens. Okay. So we can see now the controller has the lights charging up, and yes, we've got lights on the battery as well. Now you have to charge the battery up to 100% for the battery to activate for you, so you're not meant to be able to fly it straight away. And I've been reading up on these batteries. They are highly intelligent, supposedly, but there we go. I mean, how intelligent does a battery need to be? Okay guys, well I'm going to wrap this one up now because this is just the unboxing. I will show you my first flight when I do it, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, ask me any questions about this drone, and I'll be able to help you as and when I start using it, or if you have any ideas on what I should be using this for on my channel, let me know. Look, this is free reign guys. You help me, I help you, you know? Anyway, have a nice day guys. I'll catch you soon. Probably next week. Peace.